Bekah and welcome to the Carriage House, a little place to find comfort and cozy inspiration for your hearth and home. It's another early spring afternoon here at our little farmhouse on the northern plains of Iowa. And I just got back into town, did a little bit of grocery shopping for tonight's dinner. I'm just looking forward to spending time at home and unhurried time here in the kitchen. I'm making a nice cup of warm Earl Grey tea to sip on while I put away groceries and gonna make a moist, decadent carrot cake and while preparing for the evening meal. So as always, I hope you're doing well and I'm really glad you've stopped by for a visit here at our home, the Carriage House. So now on to washing and preparing fresh herbs and vegetables. On Sundays, I try to prepare for the week ahead. Sundays are like bridges. They connect the past to the upcoming present. And although I value Sunday as a day of rest and peace and a day of pause and a time to enjoy our surroundings, as if on a bridge, I do have to plan for the week, especially since we homeschool 4 children. And it's good for you to do too. And I just want to be organized as much as I can before a new week comes again. So now on to making a warm and decadent carrot cake with cinnamon and cream cheese frosting. And that's another thing I love doing on Sundays. I try to make a comforting dinner and maybe a dessert for everyone. And whether it's a pot of soup simmering on the stove, a roast chicken with lemon and thyme, these types of Sunday rituals and traditions can really make a tiny but mighty difference in our lives. I noticed the time and realized I should probably begin preparing dinner, but it's been so nice having more daylight out, especially after a deep and cold winter. And it's still pretty chilly and very windy here in Iowa, so we haven't been able to get our seeds in the ground yet, but we did plant a few things indoors and hoping to get out in the garden this weekend. But I'd love to know if you're growing a garden this year, and if you are, what types of magical things you'll be growing. But for dinner tonight, I'm making these delicious carrot patties with onion, almonds, fresh Italian parsley, and I've been making these for so long now, and they are so delicious. I will leave these recipes down below. So gonna rinse, chop, and prepare everything so I can get everyone fed, and then climb into bed.